What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Still out in San Bernardino. So yeah, we gotta stop by Ontario Mills, right? They got like more sneaker shops than any of them all around here. Yeah, let's go see what we find. I never noticed Ontario Improv is right here. Okay. All right, we're gonna start with the Nike outlets, see what they got. All right, one of the most crowded Nike outlets. Damn, they're starting to line and everything right now. Holy crap, really, huh? All right, waited like 2 minutes. Look at this. Look at one of the big time resellers. Dang. Where's that stuff that goes back? I don't know. I did check the counters, see if they had anything in the counters. Not much. Big old line though. All right, I do see some Jordans here. Okay. I don't see it in the aisles or anything. I guess you just gotta ask. All right, let's check out the clearance section first. 30% off. Okay. All right, they're starting off pissing me off already. Look at that. Really, bro. Really, huh? Really. Like some soldiers or something in that mug. What the hell? All right, do got 30% off. Regular price, I guess. There's no way LeBron's going for regular price. Get the hell out of here. Okay. I just think nothing is priced. There's no way all this stuff is regular price. All right, come on now, dude. Why? I stand corrected. $80 for those. I haven't seen those for 80 in forever. This might be a hella quick trip. $150 for the Alpha Fly next percent. Okay. 150. You did get 30% off. So that's 105. 105 for these. Damn, if I actually brought my actually forgot my freaking gift card. If I brought my gift card, I probably would scoop these up. Yeah, these are insanely comfortable. That's crazy. I'd probably use them for running, but that's just insane. The cushioning on these just at a different level. Wow. And I have the Pegasus Turbos. These seem way more cushiony than the Pegasus Turbos. Maybe it's a Zoom Air up front. I don't know. And I do wear a 10.5. This 10.5 seems to fit. Okay. All right, because it depends on what shoe, but 10.5 fits on me. But a 10.5 on this one works for me. React Milers go for 105. Size 11 Tempo. Next percents go for 90. It's 11.5. Just more Jordan boxes. This looks like a cool gray box. Yeah. It's a Jordan 7 box. But yeah, fitting all kinds of stuff in there. Witnesses go for $95. These are the Witness 5s, right? Yep. Air Force One's 11.5. It's creased up like it's been worn. Okay. They still not providing discount, huh? Okay. Alright, Flytrap 4s go for 80. LeBron's any discount? No, dude, everything's regular price. I guess you get that 40%. 90 for the Invincible Run Flyknits. This is actually a really good price. 90 because you get that 30 off. Look, 12s, 13s. Got a few 12s, and then everything above that, you're SOL, you guys, SOL. Damn, I was like so excited to come here. Look at how crazy packed it is. I was all excited to come here for nothing. Damn, dude. Size 9, 9.5, just really not seeing much. ZoomX Zagama Trail. Never seen that before. Retail. Whatever retailers, remember, they don't even tell us anymore. Air Force Ones. More retail, whatever that is. This has the cracked leather on the side panel as well as a toe box up top. Okay. Some Tanjunes. 170 for these. Didn't we see these in the aisles for cheaper full box at that other spot? Okay. Size 8, 8.5. I'm not finding nothing. Oh, size 12, 13, 14. They moved it over to this section right here. Okay. Well, still waste time and look around. Ain't finding jack here. It says size 13. First of all, that's not even size 13. Yeah. Air Max 2017, size 13, go for 165. There's the free run trails going for 40. That's a size 12. Okay. Some Pegasus, size 13, go for 90. You know what? It's way too crowded and stuff. You know what? Let's go check out the house, man. I'm done. All right, they do got these. Bunch of access right here. What is these? The liftoffs. 3 different colorways of those. Like who's looking at these? Got the Max R's right here. The 6 rings. 6 rings, okay. Dude got these bad boys right here. Man, if you could get this for 30% off, that'd be insane. That'd be insane. That'd be dope. LeBrons, yeah, see? So why do they have those other ones priced way differently at the clearance section? Soldiers only $20 less than the regular LeBrons, huh? Witness 5s, another one of those. Last one, Flytrap 4s, got a couple of them. Zoom Freak 3s, I don't think I've even seen this colorway. Yeah, I definitely haven't seen that box. Immortalities, another one of those. Another one, Series 0.3s. Do got the Fly E's right here. The green, I think the green kind of kills it for me. I'm looking for one of these for like an elderly person. Space Hippies, the Offline 2.0s. Okay. Genomes, another one of those. They got Air Max 90s. Okay, these are pretty dope. Okay, got suede. Man, they got some of the Nubuck on the back. Okay, regular price though. There's a premium 2017s, another one of those. 2090s, Air Max 95s. People do not seem to be into these because this is the lowest price we've seen. They only have to up to size 7.5 though. Okay, so up front I thought that was one of the resells. I guess not, because look, usually the workers, they don't use those type of dollies usually. I guess it's different here. They do got some running shoes and stuff. These crowds are crazy here, man. This is definitely one of the most packed freaking Nike outlets in LA County or Southern California. I was like, we're not even in LA County anymore. Man, I'm not really seeing much. All right, like this is all stuff that we saw in Redlands. This is the women's section. All same stuff as Redlands, man. Go check out the Redlands video. All right, let's go check out one of the other outlets, man. This is kind of mediocre. All right, before I leave, let's check out the clearance apparel. I did find these. Look at this, like a Broncos jacket right here. This is a ThermaFit jacket. But yeah, man, this is fire. Normally $95. This is a large. You do get a 40 off. That's pretty fire, dude. Yeah, if you like the Broncos, I guess. I couldn't hype it up too much, you know. Niners look like, oh man, they looked awful. They looked awful, man. You need to get that quarterback situation figured out. But yeah, do got these. $75 down to $30. This is a t-shirt. $75 t-shirt. Holy cow. This kind of matches with all that recycled stuff, the Crater stuff. But yeah, that's hella expensive, goddamn. All right, I'm checking most of the racks, just a bunch of t-shirts and stuff. You know, y'all have seen t-shirts. Let's see what this goes for. Yeah, this is going for $60, but you know, 40% off, I guess. Size large. Oh, this is the one I have. I think I have this one. I got it for like 20 bucks. Almost all casual shoppers, because this is in a big old outlet mall. You got some fleece shorts here. Man, I can't find the tag. Yeah, 60 down to 40 to get that extra 40 off. Yeah. I put it back. I usually try to put everything the way I find it. Yeah, basketball shorts, thin basketball shorts, ones you take to the club. Whatever. I think that's it. You got the Flight t-shirts. These are pretty dope Flight t-shirts. $40 off or 40% off. My bad. 40% off $30. So 45 down to 45 down to what, 25, and then you get 40 off. Down to 30. My bad. Not a fan of the color though. Not a fan of the color. These look hella oversized too. Some dope shorts, but don't have that extra sale on it. Do got backpacks, but I don't see any of the dope backpacks. Wait, what's this? I've never seen this jersey right here. It's a Westbrook jersey, but it's just I guess it's just the black one. The black, I don't know, look, it's a select jersey. I've never seen that one. Has little dots on it, dots of purple. That's definitely interesting. I've never seen that one. How have I never seen that one? What's it have? Oh, it has MVP on all the bunch of different languages, I guess. Okay. Damn, they didn't want to write it in Korean, huh? Okay. 160 down to $100. 160 down to 100. Not too bad. Like I said, I've never seen this jersey, so kind of dope to see it here. They got it right here too. It's pretty fire, dude. It's pretty fire because I've never seen it. No, everybody's hating on Westbrook. I still like him. All right, man. All right, this ain't long enough. Let's go check out one of the other shops. All right, let's see what's up at Adidas. It says 50% off store wide. All right, let's go. Dang, dude, none of these outlets got nothing today. Man, I'm looking for some basketball sneakers. Nothing. Unless you count these and you want to cover your kneecaps just in case. But yeah, man, these, what are the KC Torsion Artillery Highs, longest name ever. $140, get 50 off. Got those as well. Got some retro P's. These are the ones we've been seeing at JD Sports. Look super comfortable. So much boost in the back right there. Okay, $120, you get 50 off. Not digging that colorway. They got this one right here too. Oh no, this is a S97. My bad. This is kind of the same design with no boost. All right, $100, 50 off. Dude got these Tayshons here. That is hella surprising. Man, that's one of their signature skaters, and I do have one of these at home. These are fire. $85. You do get freaking 50 off. These are interesting though, because the slope on the toe box a little interesting. It slopes down big time, super thin way out front. But these are dope. If they had any other colorways, like a better colorway, I probably would pick one up, especially for what, $42.50, $85, 50% off. That is just hella cheap. Materials on these are super nice too. Nice weight on them, man. Just not digging that colorway, man. Do got some Dawn issue 3s, size 8s and 9s. Go for $110. You do get that 50 off. It's like a Chinese New Year colorway or something. Okay. Obviously, I'm in the clearance section. More Dawn issue 3s. Go for $120. This is $120, huh? The other one was $110. 50 off of that. Got some Flyknit Superstars. Don't know the price though, because that's not the right box. Aren't these the what's Sean Witherspoons? I think so. Those are awful looking. Do got some NMDs, $150. Do get 50% off. Size 11. Not seeing much. If I do find those Witherspoons, one of the Witherspoons I do want the Asics Sean Witherspoons. I'm actually trying to get one of those resale. All right, let's look at the Ultra Boost here. They don't even have that many Ultra Boosts, man. Okay. I guess the price is all right for the Summer Readies right here. The 4.0s. This is off 200 right here. The All Terrains. The Cold Readies, the 190, 50 off. Ultra Boost 2021. Sizing very limited on most of these. The Parlays. Okay. Like they only have size up to size 9. 2021s go for pretty cheap. We've seen that at Shoe Palace for that price. Another 2021, and then the Cold Ready ones right here, 190. You do get 50 off. Oh, okay. There's some more right here, 2022s. Bunch of them go for 120. It looks like those right there. And like, was that the Be True ones? I think Be True is Nike brand though. 190. 50 off for these. So what is that? What, $95? The Parlay ones, if you guys don't know about Parlay, that is a company where they take a bunch of plastic from the ocean and then they repurpose the plastic. They usually make it into like string and stuff like that. But yeah, pretty freaking dope. 200, 50% off. And then, you know, 180 or 120 for these, and then 190, 50 off for those. Women's section, kind of similar selection with Ultra Boost. Less pairs though, less kind of. Man, all right, I'm out. Let's go. Do got a Reebok outlet, man. This store has been pretty worthless in the past. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I've ever seen anything really dope in here, but still gotta check, man. You never know. They got some super high-end carts right here that come out of someone's kitchen. Workout Plus, really? Like really? No sale, nothing? The OG women's ones right here. All right, man. They got 2 Iversons, and then one of them, they just came out, so I don't expect that to be on sale. This one's $100, and that's it. Really? Nothing else? Size 10.5. Okay, this is like the dopest thing I've seen, to be really honest. Dude, got some Answer 4s. And the color blocking on this ain't bad. Yeah, and that's what, 130? 130? Oh, but there's no additional discounts. It says 50% off, didn't it? Yeah. Okay, it does say take an extra 50% off. So yeah, $65 for that. That might be the cheapest we've seen those. That's actually pretty dope. Got a couple 10.5s. Got it in 11.5 as well. And then we got some Reebok. And then we got some Reeboks with an identity crisis right here. Yeah, some Reebok Chucks, I guess. Okay. Never seen that before. That is funny. $80. That's size 13. 8.5 right here. $110 for these. Remember, you did get 50 off on top of that. That's in the wrong section though. More of these in the 8.5 section. And that's about it. They do have like these classic leathers. These actually are not bad. I'm kind of a fan of the old school look of these. Pretty good price, especially at 50% off. And then maybe the Workout Plus is on sale. Maybe all this stuff is 50% off. I don't know. Okay. Except the two best things here. So that's it. They got like, you know, the workout stuff, the CrossFit stuff. And then, you know, their clothes is 50% off. But that's about it, dude. That's about it. All right, let's go. Let's go.